Today we've got something rugged, something durable, and something that's been making waves in the rumor sea. That's right, buckle up because we're talking about Samsung's upcoming tough nut, the Galaxy XCover 7. Now, if you've been following the leaks, you know this bad boy has been teasing us for a while. The design, the specs, it's like waiting for your favorite pizza delivery. Impatiently exciting. And guess what? We've got more deets for you. First off, let's talk about size. No, not that kind of size. The Galaxy XCover 7 is rumored to flex a 6.6-inch IPS LCD FHD Plus display. That's right, big enough to see your memes in all their glory. And the best part? The price tag is expected to dance around less than 400 euros. Now, that's what I call budget-friendly ruggedness. Under the hood, we're looking at 6 gigs of RAM, plus a whopping 128 gigs of storage, hooking you up with enough storage for your needs. However, it was not mentioned if there will be options available with larger memory setups at higher costs. And get this, it might still keep the removable battery tradition alive. Reports hint at a juicy 4000 mAh battery, perfect for those days when your phone becomes your lifeline. But wait, there's more! The Galaxy XCover 7 recently made a star appearance on Geekbench, revealing a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor. Not too shabby, considering some rugged phones out there are still stuck in the tech stone age. And don't you worry about the elements ruining your fun with an expected IP68 rating, the MIL STD 810 military standard durability. Now, Samsung is playing hard to get with the launch date, but we've got some detective work here. The XCover 7 is popping up on certification websites in Thailand, India, and Malaysia. And according to the inside scoop from WinFuture's go-to guy, Roland Quant, the Samsung's Galaxy XCover 7 is gearing up to hit the European market. So Europe, you're also officially on the list for this rugged release. So, if you're in these regions, keep your eyes peeled because the rugged revolution might be knocking on your door soon. Samsung's been in the rugged phone game since 2011, and the XCover 7 seems poised to carry that legacy forward. Oh, the Galaxy Tab Active 5, another tough cookie from Samsung, just got the FCC nod. Could we be in for a double trouble rugged release? Only time will tell. And if you're wondering when this rugged beast will officially drop, well, Samsung released the XCover 6 Pro in June 2022. So it seems like the XCover series is gearing up for a fresh makeover. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's ride this rugged roller coaster together. And that's a wrap for today's Tech Talk. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the rugged realms, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that bell for all the latest tech tidbits. Peace.